Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sort by file size in Drive. So if you want to sort by file size in Google Drive, here's a quick guide on how to sort that. So the first thing you have to do is log on to your Google Drive account using your web browser. You can use any of the web browser of your choice. You can use Google Drive or you can use Microsoft Edge. Or if you have it installed down to your PC, you can simply open it from there. But currently, I'm running it on the web browser. So just log into your account using your Gmail to access your Google Drive. Once you log in, then you have something like this on your interface, which is the home screen of the Google Drive. So for you to have the sort file by size, so you have to click on storage. Then from there, you don't have to do anything from here because all your files have been sorted by their file size. So the first thing for you to be able to confirm that, you have to scroll down. You can see the biggest file size we have here is 6.4 MB. Then if you keep scrolling down like that, you notice that the size has reduced. Starting from here, 6.2 down to 6.1, down to 6.1, down to 6 megabyte. Then scroll down again, you can see that 5.9, 5.8, 5.8, 5.7, and that is how it keeps going down in descending order. And that is how you can figure out already sorted file in Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.